Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm here with my another video. My This video is about foot care. Taking care of your feet is essential for overall health and well-being. Our feet bear the weight of our entire body and are prone to various problems from skin dry and cracks to fungal infection and pain. To keep your feet healthy, start by washing them daily with soap and water, paying special attention to the areas between your toes. Dry your feet thoroughly, especially between the toes, to prevent fungal infection. Moisturize your feet regularly, focusing on the heels and toes to keep the skin soft and supple. Trim your toenails straight across and avoid cutting them too short to prevent ingrown toenails. Wear shoes that fit comfortably and provide adequate support to prevent foot pain and problems. Finally, consider getting regular foot massage to relax your feet and improve circulation. By following these simple steps, you can keep your feet healthy, happy, and pain free. So, take the first step toward foot care today and give your feet the attention they deserve. And like the moisturizer is very important for your feet, like hydration is the key to keep your feet healthy and like massage a rich foot cream or natural oil into your feet, focusing on the arcs and heels. A gentle massage improve also blood circulation. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next video.